Hey guys, today's video is going to be an unboxing video on some hair that I got in the mail, and I have been wanting to try an AliExpress hair company out for the longest time, and I actually bought hair from AliExpress probably about a year ago, and they canceled my order because I didn't verify my credit card information or something, and it was just a really big mess and I got really annoyed. So I was like, you know what, I'm done with it. So I decided to give it another try. Ishow hair on AliExpress. I'll have it somewhere here so you guys can actually see the name. And it came in a DHL packaging, and I think it got to me in 4 business days or 3 business days. I'm not exactly sure. And it came in a DHL bag, but then it came in this bag, and you can't see it inside the DHL bag, and then on the inside the hair was packaged. I took the hair out, so it looked obviously much nicer when I first got it, but yeah. So I'm going to show you the lengths. I got lengths 16, 18, and 20 inches. And so they actually, in the package came a little set of nails, and I think that that's pretty cute. It's a little free gift, and I don't plan on wearing these nails, but you know. So this is the longest length that I got, and this is the 20-inch bundle, and it has the name, the inches on the package. So it does have a smell to it, and it's not a bad smell, but it's just a smell that it has to it. So yeah, this is the longest length, and this is the 20 inches, and this is what it looks like, the wefting and the bundle. I feel like it's a little on the small side for 20 inches as far as the thickness, but you can be the judge of that. And then this is the 18 inches. And then this is the 16 inches, which is obviously the thickest bundle because it is the shortest. And so it looks like this. And this one does have kind of a stronger scent than the other ones did. And like I said, it's not a bad scent, but it's not a good scent either. So I've heard that if you wash the hair with fabric softener, or you let it sit in fabric softener, the smell goes away. I don't know. I'm not going to be trying that. I'm just going to co-wash it and hope it goes away. So yeah, that's what the wefting and stuff looks like. And it's very soft. It's the body wave texture again. Yeah, I don't know. So yeah. And then it also comes with instructions on how to take care of the hair, and it shows you step by step how to wash it and how to see the true length of it. Company's profile on there and all about feedback. And then it has a return slip in case you want to return the hair. It's a 7-day no reason to return little thing. Again, this is Ishow hair on AliExpress. I'll have the link and everything posted down below in the description box so you can go check them out. Like I said, this is my first time trying an AliExpress hair company. I wanted to try it before, and I remember I purchased the hair and everything like I said earlier, and then they canceled my purchase, so I didn't get to try it out. And I really wanted to try that hair. I forgot what company it was for, but I had looked up a ton of reviews because I was so nervous and afraid. But most of the reviews that I saw were pretty good. But I didn't even get to try it out, so this is my first time trying an AliExpress hair company out, and I'm excited to try it out. So I will let you guys know how the hair is. I'm going to be doing an install video to show you guys, once I get the hair installed, but I'm not going to do the install video. I'm going to get the hair installed, and then I'm going to wear it for a week and a half, and then film the video. So I don't have to film 2 videos, an install video and then a 2-week update video. I'm just going to do it all in one. So yeah, this is the company name of the light. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you want to see an install video and update videos, and I think that I'm going to color the hair as well, so I'll be doing a color test, and if it goes back to its pattern when I co-wash it. As I was playing with it and stuff right now, it feels really good. It's really soft. It doesn't have too much shine, which I like. So we will see. I'm really like excited, and I hope that it turns out, you know, good. So let me know if you have any other questions about the hair or anything. Like I said, the links and everything will be down below. I think that is pretty much it. If there's anything else I want to say about the hair, I'll put it like in an annotation somewhere here so you guys can know that information. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.